2014 Ram 3500, 6.7 Cummins. Let's inspect it. This fin is a beast. Damn, you're big. Look at that. I love dualies. Look at these tires right here. This is a freaking beast. Alright, let's check it out inside. Holy shit, what the fuck happened right there? Oh my god! Oh my god, what the fuck happened to this truck? I never seen anything like it. I never seen anything like it. There's a fucking massive hole in the middle of the thing. Let's see if this fin started again. Because it's been also all tear apart and shit. Look at that, man. Holy moly. It might actually start this truck. Airbags have been deployed. Let's see. No, it's completely dead. Damn!